In recent decades, China has had a wave of migration from rural to urban areas, with many women migrating to cities to start businesses. So what sorts of perceptions and gender biases do these female migrant entrepreneurs encounter when moving to urban areas? By examining large data pools and conducting interviews with entrepreneurs in China, researchers discovered that relative to women in urban areas, women from rural areas struggled to see themselves as potential entrepreneurs. Female migrants from rural areas are bound by more traditional gender roles, such as caring for their homes and nurturing children. Researchers found that, consistent with those traditional roles, rural female entrepreneurs reported a higher fear of failure and worried that they had lower business knowledge and skills than others. Importantly, rural women perceived themselves as lacking traits important for business, such as competitiveness and aggressiveness. But when women migrated from rural areas to urban areas, they were exposed to more egalitarian gender perceptions. When they owned businesses in close proximity, both women and men were exposed to female entrepreneurs in the city who feared failure less and who were more confident in their business skills. Talking about business with other business owners helped improve both male and female perceptions of female business acumen, enabling all to embrace gender equity in business more readily. Wonder how entrepreneurs' perceptions of businesswomen's acumen vary when men and women from rural settings interact as business owners in an urban environment? If so, you may want to read this paper.